Okay, gangsters, today we are at Brown's Camp. It's about 36 degrees or so, 35, 36. And we're going to be testing out some studded tires here. So I decided to play with some studs and see what's going on. Right now it's pretty icy, so I think this will be a good test. I want to see if they're gonna rip out of the tire or not. I don't know. So we'll see what happens. But here's the parking lot, and it is pretty frozen out here. So anyway, we got 220 studs on the front here, and I don't remember what's 300 or something on the back here. So we'll see how it's going to turn out. See if we tear this tire up or what happens. I might just be crawling back. I don't know. We'll see. I should have tore something up if it was going to. Stop down here and check it out again. Baby, I think we're good to go. Still don't want to tear them up on the gravel road though, so that was just for testing. Looks like it passed. Test for you. It's all frozen. Get out of the rut. He wants to throw you on the floor. hard to keep from falling over. The only way to go is to go faster, believe it or not. A lot of times you don't want to do that, but you have to. I've never seen that gate before. Riding at Brown's Camp again. Just a quick little trip up there, no big deal. Just wanted to see what these studs were going to do and see if they were going to stay in the tire. And so far I'm pretty impressed with the whole thing. I wasn't sure if they were going to stay in or not. There wasn't a whole lot of ice. Parking lot was full. There were some spots in the roads that was icy. A couple trails were still pretty icy, but there wasn't really like deep snow or nothing, so as you saw in the videos. So anyway, here's the studs. This is the tire. This is the tire itself was a TX35, not a TX35, I'm sorry, a T-35 made by Tusk, and turned out to be pretty good, not missing any studs at all. So they all turned out pretty good, no problem. Went up some gravel roads. I thought I was going to tear them up, but never did. Also, front tire turned out pretty good. Didn't lose any in the front either that I could see. So it's a good time riding. Never slipped or anything. Pretty confident actually with these things on. Too bad we can't run them all the time, but anyway, didn't rip the tires up or nothing, so we're good to go. I think we might just when after I'm done with this race, if I decide to keep them on there, I'm not going to take these studs out. I'm just going to buy another tire. That's just the way it works. And then that way I'll have this tire all the time to put on later if I want to do it again. Anyway, okay, had a good time. Hope you guys enjoy it. Talk to you later. Bye.